Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Long time no see. I'm so sorry. It's just sometimes when I get overwhelmed I forget about this channel. Not like I forget, I just put it aside. This is supposed to be more Sisi Yemmie, and I'm hoping to do more interesting things on this channel. But Tito and Tiara were invited to a birthday party. They could not attend because Yemmie wasn't feeling great at that moment, and the distance was a bit far, so we couldn't make it that day. But they were so kind. They sent our party packs to us. I just thought that was like the sweetest thing ever. Like, we didn't come for the party, and we really, like, we were looking forward to that party. But anyways, they sent party packs to us, and today is going to be unboxing the party pack. Like, you guys, there's levels to these party packs things. I feel like it's not every party pack is the same. They're not on the same level, and this one we got is premium. I can't wait to show you. So if your kids are interested in stuff like this, like unboxing party packs and all that, or you are interested so that, you know, for your kids' birthday or event, you can kind of have an idea what to put in a party pack, then watch this video. We're going to do the unboxing in the backyard because it is much more fun there. We're in the process of like renovating the backyard, so the kids love to just do anything there now, so that's where we're gonna do it. It looks really nice. I'll do a full like tour later when we finish, but for now it's just an unboxing. You guys can hear what it is listening to.
Guys, hear it! Hear it!
Sarah, what are you doing?
Hello, kids. Today is Tito and Tiara and Mommy and Auntie Topper channel. And today, what Auntie Topper brings me to open up a present.
I know you're gonna come for this one.
I'm gonna.
So we got a gift. This is what they call a party pack. So you guys, in Nigeria, this is what party packs look like.
No.
So they invited Tito and Tiara.
Party packs look like babies.
Yeah, they invited Tito and Tiara to a birthday party, but Yemmie wasn't feeling great that day, so we couldn't go.
Mommy.
So they sent us our party packs, and this whole thing is for Tiara, and this whole one is for Tito.
Yeah, because this one is a boy, this one is a girl.
Yep. So we're going to do like a mini unboxing of our party packs.
But they shouldn't do not Stevie's manual. And they can prove it's a boy.
Okay. Alright, please. Oh yeah. Which one are we opening first?
Mine.
Oh yeah, open that one.
Mine.
Open.
Okay.
Tiara, open. Opening competition.
Whoever opens this is the winner. Mommy, got it.
Tope. Tope. Yay. Woo, Tiara. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Push this in.
Wow, Tiara, this is so pretty.
Mommy, can you hold me?
Yeah, okay. It will help you. You have to say the magic word.
Please.
Okay.
Oh, I mean abracadabra.
Tiara, it's so pretty. Wow. Whoa. Now, even me, I want party pack, so this is not fair. Whoa.
I always wanted this.
You always wanted.
I'm just kidding.
It's lovely, Tiara. It's lovely.
Yay! Play-Doh!
Okay, open the rest. Let's see. Yeah.
Yay! Again! My own game system!
Oh, that is really cool.
It's colored gold!
Yes.
The last one.
I don't even think that's the last one.
Just see. See? Look,
Wow.
look, mommy.
There's something under. Oh, I should hold it for you.
It's the last gift.
No, that's not the last. There's something else. See more.
Open this up, please.
Say thank you.
These are
Oh, Tiara, this is more gifts for you.
Mommy.
What is it?
Puzzle.
A puzzle. This is so cool. So many gifts for you people. Just see. And you know even
And
attend.
even a body.
Wow. So you're going to play with this here. Wow.
I'm going to play with this for pool party.
Feels like Christmas Day with all these gifts for Tito. All of them for you, Tito.
All of them.
Oh, yeah, whoa, Tiara, come and see.
It has the
It is so cool, Tiara. Give it to Tiara. Yay! Yay! Look, even a cooking set.
Oh wait,
This is so, you can open it.
Yes.
Yes. Tiara, say for you.
I can do this.
But not the least for Tiara is this.
We
Yay!
can share it on Monday.
Yeah, these are so cool. So much.
And stickers.
Yeah, oh yeah, build something. You and Tiara have to build something now.
I'm gonna build a choo-choo train like forever.
Okay, build it.
A choo-choo. Okay. Oh, another car. Weird.
And Tito, you have to say thank you, Auntie, for sending us this present.
Thank you, Auntie, for sending us this present. But sadly, he can't come here because
Tiara, what do you want to build?
Okay. We got this. Oh, I can make it a train. Okay. I need to open this up.
I don't know what game is this for, or maybe this is a game. I don't know. Open it for her.
I'm gonna make this.
Whoa.
I made a cargo. I made the train. I'm out of face. Look at the stickers. Can everyone show me the stickers that make the train? Show me the stickers.
Elsa. Let it go. Let it go.
Oh, let it go. I got
Where's that
it.
Yay. Oh, what is that?
This is a choo-choo train.
Okay, really
Look
cool.
at smile.
Oh yeah, that's a nice smile.
Choo-choo-choo. Chugga, chugga, choo-choo, chugga. Okay, let's open the Play-Doh thing up.
Okay. Whoa, Play-Doh.
I can't believe it. Let's open the Play-Doh. Can anyone help me? No. I'm just gonna open this. I told you. Okay. I'm gonna make some pizza. Guys, watch out for me because I'm making pizza. Okay.
Oh, Tito, calm down. Hey, Tito, you pushed your sister.
Sorry. I need to make this flat. Make this flat.
You want to open it like Tito? Do you have the teeth to open it? Ahead.
For oven.
That's for making waffles.
Because I am making waffles. But
Tiara's eating the Play-Doh. And Tiara, it is not food. Is it delicious?
no.
Yum yum. No.
Mommy, can you help me open this?
Magic words.
Please. Okay. Now I can make a burger. Okay. Flatten this down. Make it so flat.
So how do you make a burger?
Do this. Look. I made tomato. I made ketchup. What's a burger? Okay. Now the lettuce. Can you please help me with this one? Please. Please help me.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
So what are you making, Tito? You have to make what's in the... It's a hamburger, so you have to make what you can see on the set.
Making hamburgers.
So the set is a hamburger set. So you have to make chips, chicken, and a burger.
Yeah, and I'm making that right now.
Okay.
Rolling this, and then putting the lettuce on it. Lettuce.
Is that what it looks like? Look at it. Is that what it looks like?
No, I just don't know how to make lettuce.
Okay, let's do it together.
Brown, so I'm going to use black.
Okay, this is the plate.
Can you help me? Can you help me open this up?
Tito, is that how the burger looks like?
I don't know. You do the count that.
F.
P double O P G P.
Oh yeah, Tiara, put it. Since you know so well. Oh yeah, put it.
Okay. I'm trying to make some hot dogs. Hot dog. I'm just trying to. Yep. And boom. Smash it together. Mommy. Here you go. Your burger.
Thank you.
You just need to pretend.
See the plate.
Oh, no. Oh, I need to get some green. Oh, my God. Mommy, look.
Okay.
Okay.
So they got this gift. So this is a sketching game. This is a double-sided puzzle. This is, I don't know if it's a game or it's for playing games. I don't know, but it looks nice. This is a Star Wars game. This is a power paddle. I'm not sure what it's used for, but we will figure it out. Kids had so much fun unboxing. Thank you so much for our party packs. You know yourself. God bless you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.